Stand up! Vanguard!
Alright.
No.
Stand up, Vanguard!
Stand up. Good luck, man.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Word.
Nice. Okay.
Saishin.
We're gonna ride Kaiden.
Okay.
And call this guy.
Okay.
No skill. 7.
I'll guard that one.
12.
16 guard.
Boom.
Give a check.
19.
Drop. 14 to Vanguard.
14.
Yes.
We'll take it.
Draw trigger power.
That is a PG.
Oh yeah.
Karma. Alright. And pray. Pray. Please. Alright. We're good. We're good. We got her. Maka. It's I can always first try to Orgeyser, guys. That will help. No, it won't.
No, it won't.
No, it won't.
So blessed. Never mind.
Let's try. We will drop. Move that.
Well, I can Soul Blast, but I need something else to get the power.
Yeah.
So.
That probably won't need him.
Soul Blast, but no power.
That's what you think.
Alright.
Shut up.
That's all I can do.
I'll be faithful.
Maybe I'll do
the
same.
14. Face.
Power back.
Oh crap. Here we go.
Right.
Okie dokie.
Such a bad match.
Sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
Attack plus 4,000.
So that's 9.
Yeah. Alright, this is 7.
Is that to Ven?
This is to Vanguard. 16.
Bring it.
60.
Damage.
Oh, I'm the best.
Wow.
7 service.
7?
Yeah, candy math. 19 plus 4.
That's fine.
End the turn, he dies, his skill activates. And I boss 1, search through the deck and get a copy. Alright, here you go.
That's A-okay. Draw. Ride the dude. Dude. And we will stride.
Okay. When the guy was like, Diablo is actually a Spike Brothers. Diablo?
Diablo. Well, because I forgot to change it. And so Mason thought I was playing Spike Bros.
Yeah.
And then I was like, Diablo.
Or a guy.
Right.
I'll do 1, 2, 3.
This is where I gotta start being careful.
That's right. We'll just swing. Or a skill.
It's 31.
Cut David
Invisible
down.
target cannot be
That's
hit.
plus 5. Finally.
No.
And another plus
No,
5.
it's
That's 36.
It gives it basically resistance.
Alright.
It cannot be hit in time to
That's
battle.
1.
So
Oh,
only
effects.
No.
only this one.
No.
Only this turn. Right?
Percent power. Heal.
So I can swing this into that.
Wait,
Or no, I
I'm at 2, sir.
I was at 2.
You were at 2?
It's resistance on
Okay.
my turn.
Then go for
Yeah,
it.
until end of turn cannot be hit.
Turn end.
So it's 26. Yeah, it's a Vanguard, basically in that one.
You know, Chris, this is
Yes.
a foxy deck you're playing.
Hey, I want to see this. Okay, there we go. That Deathspray's out there.
Yeah, that display is out.
1. You gotta think about this. This is tough.
You better.
I need to retire 2. Or
Plus 10. So it's 25. Do you field 4? Or do you field 5?
if I field 4, I'm safe even if you have that one Deathspray.
So if I have 1 though,
I know. Let's.
and you need to leave for it. You don't even. You gotta remember that you gotta leave for it.
That's the worst part.
That's right.
25.
Let's try.
Okie doke.
We're going to go for Hunters.
Okie dokie.
Call Crayon Tiger.
Sounds good.
Call Mohican Hyena.
Sure.
Alright, we have 31 to Vanguard. On hit, I can give the unit +4. And the turn, it dies, and I draw.
That's on hit, right?
36 Vanguard.
I don't think I want that to hit. So I'm gonna PG that.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All effects.
Alright, first check. Second check.
All effects.
I'll put all effects on Crayon Tiger.
Okay.
Second check.
That's 17 plus 10, 27
And then
plus
end of
5.
turn.
32.
Hold on. I'm redistributing the power maybe.
Alright.
And they both have crit, right?
Yeah. And then also Chatter at 31.
I'll give all effects to River Chameleon.
Had to.
Yeah, all effects to River.
Alright.
At the end of combat, or end of battle phase, or if he attacks, Soul Blast 1, give him +8, and if turn he dies and I draw. So he's 11, plus the trigger is 16.
Okay.
So we'll do 16 with crit.
16 with crit?
16 with crit.
That was such a dumb play. No, I gotta send this.
Don't want that.
This attacks for 15. Crayon Tiger skill, 100 +1 restand, gives +4.
Double PG.
That's 24 then, right?
So this would be 20 by itself.
20 and then, so 24.
This is 15.
Oh, where is it?
I'll take the 15. Bam.
And then with 24 with critical again. End of turn, Strider moves. He dies. Chameleon skill. 10 +1. I don't have a copy, so I'm an idiot.
What? Oh no!
And then I will
Oh,
draw
this is bad.
one. I'll draw one for Rimthirst skill.
Alright.
And I'll draw one for Crayon Tiger.
Matching.
Okie dokie.
What'd you put in the soul?
Can you give me your hand size?
Two. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the
9.
the back.
9 cards. That's doable.
Skill?
Wood.
Stand and draw.
6.
Stupid chicken. Oh, wait. I played chicken.
That's 4 fielded, huh?
Sword in my
Yeah.
This is.
And that's 9 cards in hand, yes?
27.
Yes.
No, it's 25.
Okay. I'm gonna get rid of some of those cards.
Alright, Henry.
Yeah.
So this got.
Flash your Darts GB2. Stride.
Yeah. No,
We're going ham.
Okay.
And I mean ham.
Oh snap!
Cards in.
3.
Call Dark Card. Dark Card skill. Full blast?
13. 29.
With crit.
Kaiden.
Right.
Do it, Vitra. There's no point in me doing that. That's 29, right? Yeah. It isn't. Same.
Whole skills. +3, +3, +6.
6.
Kaiden being called. We're gonna soul charge 2.
Can we make
Well,
it late?
there was
Can
my
we soul
fourth
charge?
PG.
Can we get it under?
And an unflip.
Yes.
Oh,
And another 3/3.
what is this?
So +12, +6, +6.
Oh, you could have been put at 5.
Yeah, +12, +6, +6. That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Spectral's own skill.
Limit break. Skill.
Yeah.
Right.
So, plus
Retire Kaiden.
2K.
+5.
17.
Skill. Plus another 2K.
Dark Heart. Skill.
26.
Soul Blast.
This is why Diablo is insane because he's not even Diabloing.
That is right. There. That's 2 more grade 1 calls. So 6, 6, another 12.
12, 12, 24 plus a 5. Okay, and it's plus 29.
That's right.
How much is it?
16.
16?
Just no guard.
Psych.
I could have us 3.
All right. I think we're good to go. This is 26 plus, what was that? 29? So, math, 54 plus 7, 62 to your Vanguard.
I think I would take
Triple drive.
the 62.
Beautiful. Okie dokie.
Not a crit.
It's not a crit. This guy is probably strong enough already. Power here. Draw. Second. Third. Alright.
Damage check.
Spectral skill.
You have the crit trigger? Throw it in the soul.
Retire.
Not that one.
54.
Not that guy then.
You can borrow. Which one do you need?
I would just do
This is 16 plus 12, 28. 28 plus 5, 33.
And I will take that. My DJ mates.
28. Ven.
28.
Yes.
Ooh, this final turn.
So plus 5 to everything. This is 12 plus 4,
Start with
16 I am.
All right.
16 plus 7,
Putting back 4 criticals.
23.
Yeah. No guard.
Come on! Oh, damn it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's up to.
It's up to.
Up to 2.
So this is now 10.
So then,
If only it was up to 2.
15. 19.
Heal.
Castanet skill plus 3 to Vanguard.
Blast.
Call skill for
Brawlers
accessory.
reign supreme.
Which is 23, 28 to Vanguard.
Wanna play
On hit's active.
Yeah.
Just in juice.
On hits.
On hit gives plus 4 to a unit. And then retires it at the turn draw.
Understood, understood. I will take this
and like
bring it.
Critical power.
Nice crits. Wanted that third check.
I did want that to check.
That's 1. Heal. The heal is not good, but we'll give the power here anyway.
Actually, so the power's gonna go here.
Alright.
From the trigger.
Sure.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Wait, then skill for pencil claw plus 4 here. And the turn it retires and draw.
Sure.
18 plus 4 is 23.
23 to Ven?
Yes.
Alright. Can I get power here?
24. Or sorry, this is a 15, then I have plus 4, so it's going to be 20. And then this gets plus 4 if it's over 9k, so it'll be 24.
That's also.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is it.
I wonder what you're playing.
What is this?
Oh no.
And you can use his skill.
I can use this because I have GB1.
Alright. His power alone?
Alone is 16. Sorry, alone is 15.
So you could give the 4 there.
Yes.
Make it 20.
Yeah. It's 15 that's it. Because I just gave the 4. Oh, and then 4 here, so sorry. I'm bad at this. I can get plus 4 here from attacking, plus 4 here. So this is actually 26.
Got it.
And it's 19 by itself.
Okay. I'm going to then G-guard that.
Okay. Alright.
That's 26.
Oh yes, baby. Good.
Oh, oops. My bad. Alright.
Because you're at 31. This will attack 15 plus the trigger is 20. Gain skill to get plus 4 is 24. Skill plus 4 here. So this is now 23.
Okay.
That's crazy.
So this is a 10k guard, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No guard.
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
I'm gonna check out the drop real quick.
I'm so good at this.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, go.
I wanted that song.
Yeah. And now we make it unguardable.
All right. Do that.
Not fair.
Yeah.
I want to do whatever I can to guard all this. Oh, what the heck?
10k
Oh,
hitter.
10K.
It's this guy.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then this will be 23 to back.
20 how much?
23.
23. Another 10k guard, right?
Yes.
17.
No guard. Oh, fuck seal.
Yeah. No.
Alright. End of turn. Pester Fox is retired from Pester Fox's skill.
Okay.
Legion skill activates. I can return 2 cards to the bottom of my deck. I forget the exact order. Unflip 1.
Come on, that's an easy decision.
Draw a card, and then put 2 on the bottom.
9?
Okay.
And then I draw 1 from Grand Tiger, I draw 1 from Pencil Koala, and I draw 1 from...
What's your hand? What's your hand size?
I'm at 10 now.
All right. Stand, and drop. You know, you'd be fine if I only had 1 Deathspray.
No
Tried.
way! No way! He's gonna do it!
On stride. Kill that.
Got this.
I'm gonna get cheese!
You know what they say about habanero? It bites.
Spicy? It's spicy.
It's spicy.
It's pretty spicy. Okay. Enter battle.
You reveal it. That's your only time to look at it. That's like asking,
Skill.
hey, what's your drive? Like,
Actually, after. Alright, skill.
Guard?
Retired.
Oh, G-guard,
And I will retire.
So, 26, 26.
26-2.
Vanguard. No!
Skill.
Who don't play this game?
Stomach hurt that time. What's there to kill?
Yep. And
You choose.
This
Phantom Swings.
Poppy.
+5
No!
to make 41. 2 crit. You can only G-guard this.
G-Guard! +5 by using giving skill. G-Guard! +1 by giving skill. So I have +40, so I'm 51 to your 41.
This is 2 to pass.
2 to pass.
Yeah.
I believe.
Oh my god.
I believe.
Oh my god.
Draw.
Oh, draw the trigger. Oh! Oh!
Oh! We got it, boys. We got it, boys.
Cards in hand?
Well played.
7.
Tabanero.